Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Okay, so I'll show you two methods how to create a backup on this device. As a first method, I'll show you how to use the HUAWEI Cloud, and as a second method, I'll show how to backup your data into the external storage drive. So let's open up the settings. Now we need to click on our HUAWEI ID. You need to be logged in and have an account if you want to use it. Now select the cloud, select your device. Now you can click on backup options, and in here you can select the things that you want to backup. In here you have a list. So simply select everything that you want. Now click on backup. Now the process will start. And now simply let's wait until everything downloads. Okay, everything has been successfully backupped. Click on done. Now we can go back. Everything has been successfully backupped. Now let's go back and I'll show you the second method. Now scroll down into the bottom, click on System and Updates, Backup and Restore, Data Backup, External Storage. Now connect your device that you want to use. Now click on the backup, select the things that you want to backup, then hit the button. Now let's wait until everything downloads. Okay, backup completed. Click on done. And now our backup is stored in our external storage drive. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.